This lesson has illustrated some uses of OCL to provide precise specifications for a simple library information system. Even so, there are many more things we would need to do to complete this exercise. We haven't even mentioned some of the other requirements like numbers 1, 3, 8, 10, and 11, which we would need to specify. We haven't, of course, at all in this whole exercise mentioned anything having to do with non-functional requirements. Along the way, we invented some auxiliary operations like isAvailable, and isAvailable is actually pretty complicated itself, and we'd have to write that out. We would have to handle some situations implicit in the requirements, such as returning a loanable item, that's returning a book that you've checked out, paying a fine, canceling a request, and so on. And we might have to consider some new issues that arise during the course of doing this. For example, if one item in a title is a bestseller, need all of them be bestsellers? Okay? It would make sense in a library if you have some designated a book as a bestseller that all the items in that title are a bestseller, but we haven't stated anything explicitly that would require that. We would also need to add in some specifications for operations for classes date and money. Money had to do with paying fines. Although in those situations we could presumably reuse those specifications in other systems that we're building. Likewise for the operating system operations. We also haven't said anything about constructing instances of loanable items and patrons, although we did construct instances of associations, and we could use similar techniques for constructing the instances of the other two classes.